Anime.js V4. It's a all-in-one animation engine like you've never seen before. 8 years ago it was made by one person and the new version has completely changed it in 2025. It has a modular API to import only what you need, reducing the bundle size to only 11 kilobytes. It's compatible with React, Angular, Svelte, and vanilla JavaScript. I recommend that you take a look at the landing page to check out the smoothness of this package in action.
Look at my kids!
I don't love scroll-based animations, but this thing is different. Usually animation packages end up being choppy on some devices, especially with the scroll animations. But that's not what's happening with Anime.js. Anime.js is great. Let's create an interactive spinning icon with framer motion. Don't be silly, create a React with app with TypeScript. Install the dependencies as well as Anime.js. Go to src, then app.tsx, delete everything inside the app function, app.css, and index.css, but leave the root. In the app.css, let's style the button, logo, and add a hover effect for that logo. Let's add a max width and stuff for the root. And in the app.tsx, let's import all we need from Anime.js as well as other stuff, and add our ref and state using the useRef and useState hooks. Then add a use effect to initialize our animation settings. After that, create a new animation scope and assign container ref to the root key. Let's attach the logics using add function. As you can see in here, we get an instance of the scope. Add the heartbeat animation, make it draggable. And finally add a custom function to the scope which takes a number and animates the logo class with the rotating animation by multiplying the number that it gets from the top each time by 360. Let's make sure that we clean up this shit whenever we close this component to avoid memory leaks. Add a click handler to deal with the rotation whenever we click. With each click we also set the state to then multiply that by 360 to make the infinite shit. And then call the custom function we defined here and make sure to pass the current rotation number. Then we add the elements. First the wrapper or container with the ref, then define an image tag and wrap it inside the div element so he knows where he belongs to. This element will be our logo, so let's import the React logo from the asset folder. Then add a button that handles the click and the rotation number. Final step would be changing the color of this icon, and that's it. Live demo and GitHub are in the description. Enjoy this useful animation. Thanks for watching and have a good day.